Why should you pretend to be less than you are? Do you know what the biggest mistake of truly intelligent people is? Thinking they need to prove it to others all the time? Every time you get into a pointless argument just to have the last word and show you're right, you become predictable. Your pride is your greatest weakness because it gives away the map of your insecurities for free. While you wear yourself out, wasting your breath trying to be respected, noticed, or validated in your environment, the most dangerous people around you are right in front of you, staying silent, pretending they know nothing, just collecting information about you. We were shaped by a noisy culture that makes us believe that winning means speaking louder, forcing respect, and laying down the rules right from the first encounter, but the philosopher Arthur Schopenhauer revealed the exact strategy that breaks this system. The highest form of intelligence is knowing the exact moment to hide it. If you clicked on this video because of the title, you've probably already felt the weight of being underestimated at work, in college, or in your social circle by people who don't have half your ability. Today you'll learn how to turn that judgment from others into your greatest advantage through the Social Trojan Horse. Appearing offensive, predictable, or even disconnected isn't humiliation. It's the best tool for observation and self-defense you can have. This has nothing to do with being that naive, nice guy that everyone uses as a doormat. The naive person is predictable, has no claws, is afraid of confrontation, and accepts any situation just to be accepted by the group. But the strategist who uses the Trojan horse works the opposite way. He is fully capable of taking action. He has sharp claws, but out of pure strategy, he chooses to let the other person inflate their own ego and believe they're in control of the situation. Do you know why? Because when you allow people to underestimate you, you gain the rarest and most valuable resource in human relationships, the truth about who they really are. Other people's egos are your best smokescreen. Around someone who seems harmless or a bit odd, everyone lets their guard down, forgets their defenses, drops the act of superiority, and starts talking too much. They give themselves away because they don't see you as a threat to their territory. If you relate to this way of reading between the lines of situations and want to see more analyses like this here, take the opportunity to subscribe to the channel. I try not to drag things out in my scripts, so if the content has sparked any insights for you so far, click below. Continuing, this breaking of patterns and expectations is what makes figures like Oliver Tree so integral to pop culture, or if you look back in the history of philosophy, Diogenes himself in ancient Greece. The bizarre and the eccentric bother most people because the human mind is lazy. It hates what it can't immediately label or put into a box. When you make no effort at all to fit into the herd's standard behavior, you become an enigma. The average arrogant person looks at you, sees that you're not competing for the top, and assumes you pose no threat at all. While he wastes energy judging you, trying to figure you out, or laughing at your ways, you, in complete silence, have already mapped out all of their weaknesses, traumas, insecurities, and bluffs. Schopenhauer preferred isolation and eccentricity because he knew that most people are terribly noisy, yet completely predictable in their mechanical reactions. Those who are in the spotlight become blinded by their own limelight and can only see themselves. Those who prefer the shadows are able to see the entire scene and anticipate every move at the table. To take this from theory and use it in your daily routine starting today, you only need to apply 3 cold steps. Selective silence. Let go once and for all of the childish need to correct people in casual conversations or pointless meetings. If someone says something astronomically foolish just to seem superior, don't waste your arguments. Bite your tongue, nod your head, and agree. Let the person savor a false, cheap, and fleeting victory. While their ego swells with a prize that means nothing, you save 100% of your mental energy for what truly brings results. Active listening. Instead of talking about yourself to try to impress those around you, change the game. Ask strategic questions that guide the conversation and make the other person feel like the greatest expert in the world. Human beings have an almost physical need for validation. Their ego will inflate so much that they'll start saying things they shouldn't, revealing intentions, secrets, and weaknesses for free without you having to lift a finger. Fractioned mystery. Never lay all your cards on the table at once. If you have deep mastery of a subject or possess an awesome skill, act as if you only know the basics. Let them think you're limited or just got lucky. The day you need to act or deliver results, the impact will be twice as great because no one was expecting that from you. The element of surprise destroys any defense. Appearing harmless was never about being weak or submissive. It's about having patience, keeping a cool head, and understanding the timing of things. As Machiavelli taught, it's good to be feared, but it's infinitely better to be the opponent no one sees coming until it's too late to react. If you tend to be the quietest, most observant, or underestimated person in your environment, congratulations. You're already in the ideal position to dictate the game. Tell me in the comments if you've ever used silence to your advantage in any concrete situation in your life. If you want to understand the mistake of being too nice without having that strategic cunning we talked about today, click directly on the video that's appearing on the screen now. I'll see you there.